Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a closer look at a really handy little product that can make a big difference in your DIY electronics projects, especially if you're working with LED strips or security cameras. We're talking about the Ruiwaer 6PCS 5.5x2.1mm 5.5x2.1mm DC power connector adapters. First off, let's talk about what these are. These are female-to-female power jack sockets, designed to extend or adapt your existing DC power cables. If you've ever found yourself with two male-ended DC cables that need to connect, or you need to bridge a gap, these are exactly what you need. The pack comes with 6 of these connectors, which is a generous count, giving you plenty of spares or enough for multiple projects. One of the first things you notice when you pick one up is the build quality. The product description mentions they are made of metal and plastic, and they certainly feel firm and durable in the hand. This isn't some flimsy piece of plastic that's going to break after a few uses. The combination of materials suggests they're built to last, which is crucial for something that's going to be part of your power delivery system. In terms of size, each connector measures approximately 37 by 12 millimeters, or about 1.5 by 0.47 inches. This compact size means they won't add unnecessary bulk to your setup, allowing for neat and tidy installations, even in tight spaces. A really thoughtful design feature is the grip on both sides of the connector. This might seem like a small detail, but anyone who's struggled to plug or unplug a stubborn connector will appreciate it. These grips make insertion and removal much easier, preventing accidental disconnections and making your life a lot simpler when you're working on your projects. Now, let's talk about compatibility and applications. These connectors are specifically designed for 2.1mm x 5.5mm DC power devices. This is a very common barrel jack size, making these adapters incredibly versatile. They're compatible with all CCTV systems, which is a huge plus for security camera installations where you often need to extend power lines. Beyond security, they're perfect for various lighting applications, especially with LED strips. If you're setting up under-cabinet lighting, accent lighting, or any other LED project that uses this standard DC barrel jack, these connectors will be invaluable. The product information also mentions compatibility with televisions, which likely refers to power adapters for certain TV models that use this specific DC input, rather than connecting directly to a TV signal. It's good to know they have such a broad range of uses. The Ruiwaer brand seems to deliver on its promise of a reliable and practical solution. Having 6 of these in a pack means you're well equipped for current and future needs. They're straightforward, do exactly what they're supposed to do, and do it well. For anyone involved in DIY electronics, home security, or custom lighting, these female-to-female DC power connectors are an absolute must-have. They simplify connections, ensure durability, and offer great value for money. So if you're looking for a dependable way to manage your 12V DC power connections for LED strips, CCTV cameras, or other compatible devices, the Ruiwaer 6PCS 5.5x2.1mm 5.5x2.1mm DC power connector adapters are definitely worth considering. They're a small component that can solve big connection problems.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.